In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to change Opay card pin. So let's say someone already have your card pin and you're trying to save yourself from any kind of future issue. So the best way is just to change your card pin. So how do you go about it? So just log into your Opay app, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, it still works the same way. Then down below, look at cards, then click on cards. Then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So you can see there is cards. So we have virtual cards and we have physical cards. So depending on the one you actually want to change. So let's say if it's a physical card, so you're gonna click on manage card. Then so once you click on manage card, it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Then you can see set transaction limit, manage pin, manage online merchant, SMS alert subscription, block card, cancel card, and all that. So the one you wanna click is manage pin. Then right here you can see check card pin, then change card pin. So since you want to change your pin, just click on change card pin. Then they will ask you to provide the previous pin you are using, and then once it's confirmed, then you can now put in the new card pin you wanna be using. So once you do that, your card pin will be updated immediately and you can start using the new pin to withdraw money at any physical ATM machine, or if you want to use your card to check out some stuffs online, you can actually start using the new pin, and then your card is successful and it's safe just like that.